Hello everybody, welcome to Artnet 360 by Aaron video channel. In today's video, we are going to solve a multiple choice question from Unit 14 of your NEET syllabus. It is electromagnetic induction and alternating current. It's a very simple problem. A standard filament lamp consumes 100 watt when connected to 200 volt AC main supply. The peak current through the bulb will be how much? This question has been asked in the NEET examination in the year 2022. So the four options are 0.707 ampere, 1 ampere, 1.414 ampere, 2 ampere. So what is all the problem, sir? So IRMS is equal to Im divided by root 2. So what is RMS, sir? Root means square velocity of current. Im means peak value of current or maximum value of current. Im divided by. So Im is equal to IRMS into root 2. Then this root 2 then goes to that side, it will go to the numerator. So Im is equal to root under IRMS into root 2. Let it be equation. This is the value Im that you are going to find. That is the peak current. This is the answer for this question. Okay. And also you know power is equal to IRMS into VRMS. P is the power. P power, how much? 100 watt. So IRMS is equal to, you put VRMS, bring VRMS to the other side. So IRMS is equal to P by VRMS. Where should we find IRMS? This is an equation 1, you have to substitute that. So that is why you are going to calculate IRMS. So IRMS is equal to P divided by VRMS. P power 100 watt. So it connected to 200 volt AC main supply. It means what? The root mean square velocity, root mean square value, RMS value of voltage is 200 volt. So IRMS is equal to P by V RMS. P 100 watt. This is 200 volt. So 100 by 200, that is 1 by 2. So the unit of current is ampere, 1 by 2 ampere. Substituting the value of IRMS, that is 1 by 2, in the equation, Im is equal to, what is this? 1 by 2. 1 by 2 IRMS into root 2. So root 2 divided by 2. What is root 2 into root 2? You can consider. So that is equal to 1 by root 2. Root 2 divided by 2 means will give you 1 by root 2. What is the value of root 2, sir? 1.414. That you must know. Okay, that is 1 by 1.414. That is 1 by 1.414, 0.707. Okay, so 0.707 ampere is the peak value of current in the bulb. Okay, so option 1 is the right answer for this question. You will see one more question from this unit 14, electromagnetic induction and alternating current, in our next video also. After that, we will go to the electromagnetic waves, that is unit 15. Okay, so till then, thank you one and all. Thank you.